Here are all the pieces that's going to come with this Garvee rocking chair set with the side table. Unboxing and assembling is basically straightforward. Everything's packed, everything's labeled, you know exactly how everything goes. The assembly time for me, it wasn't difficult. It probably took me about an hour for everything. The instructions were clear. And once you get chair 1 done, the second one goes a lot faster. Right away, the first thing I noticed is how sturdy these feel. They're made from that HDPE, so it's not flimsy plastic that bends or feels cheap. These actually have some weight to them, and I feel like they're going to hold up outside long term, which is the main goal. The rocking motion is really smooth, which I love. They're not too aggressive and they're not too stiff. It's just enough to be relaxing without feeling like you're tipping too far back. The high back is what my husband loves, especially if you like something that supports your shoulders and neck while you're sitting there on the porch. These are all weather. That's the part that sold me on these. You can leave them outside without constantly worrying about rain or the sun fading them, which makes them perfect for front porch or patio setup, even if it's not covered. We were sent these to test out, and this set just gives you that comfortable, put together outdoor space without a ton of effort.